What's up everybody, welcome back to another C63 AMG video, rebuilding the C63 AMG into our dream car. This is going to be absolutely crazy. Let's load up everything. We cleaned the car real nice. It is absolutely shining again. You can see us in the reflection. Hello there. All right, we are going to go for a drive to Viva Auto again because we've got quite a big project, as you guys probably can tell. We got a lot of parts. We got more parts down there. We got some stuff here. So it is going to be a crazy day, but I cannot wait to share all of it with you guys. And all right, we are good to go. Let's do it. Okay, so just a quick recap. We got check front left side marker lamp. That one we're not going to worry about because we're still waiting for that part to come in. That's going to take quite a while. It's that reflector. That's like nice clear white LED on the front left. That one's a little bit annoying. Then obviously we have the dreaded check engine light. We're gonna figure that out. Then we have the clicking noises from the headlight adjusters. You can probably hear right now. That clicking noise. Here it comes again, hold on. Okay, I guess it's not, oh, there it comes. I heard that little click. Anyways, so we got that click, we got the noise in the back, we got the drive shaft bearings, engine light. We got a couple things to fix. So it's a nice little cloudy day, not too bad outside. So let's jump on the highway and let's get going. Hoorah. Okay then you guys, so we got our Tim Hortons, we got our donut. Oh, somebody's a little bit unhappy already, but boo-hoo, sucks to suck. Cry me a river. We are gonna go and enjoy our favorite part of the drive, which is obviously tunnels. Let's hit it. Here we go. Oh yeah, that's the best sound ever. Let's go. All right, so let's jump on the highway. Let's drive on over to Viva Auto and I will see you guys there. All right, you guys, so we have just crossed the Burlington Bridge. We are moving. And the greatest thing ever is we just cleaned the car yesterday, so look at all that water just beating right off. Look at that. You see the water movement, the droplets are right there. That is very cool. They are just beating off the hood, and luckily they are just completely coming off. Look at that. Look at that movement. Oh yeah. That is ceramic coating. Well, not ceramic coating, but ceramic kind of like spray. It literally does wonders. Anyways, let's head on over. We're almost there. Right now it is 8:43 and we are supposed to arrive at about 9:20. So let's get to this repair. Hoorah. Actually, you guys, just one more thing. This is absolutely crazy. Like, we are moving at a pretty decent speed, like maybe 120, almost 130, and it is just pouring rain, like hammering down. Everybody else should technically be like not moving at all, but we got Michelin Pilot Sport 4S, and there is absolutely zero hydroplaning. Like, we are not moving left or right like that Toyota RAV4 is at all. It is like these tires and rims and brake setup, they are absolutely amazing. Very good choice on a setup of wheels for literally any kind of summer weather scenario. All right, let's get to the shop. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're at Viva Auto Repair, Service and Sales, and the C63 AMG is going up on the hoist. Car is looking nice. Okay, so what we are going to do today is we're going to replace this flex seal disc. We're going to replace this flex seal disc, and there's also one more kind of in the middle behind there. Just got to remove these heat shields and both of the leveling links. Where the hell are they? There it is. See how this one is broken? Yeah, that is no good. So there's two of them, one on each side, so we're gonna replace those. So there's the two links. We've got our bearings and the centerpiece. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get these done. Okay guys, so we replaced the arm. There's the old one, that was the new one. So apparently, actually, there's only one side, even though the parts diagram lied to us and said that there's two. So here we go. If we look into the diagram, it literally says part number 10, which is the headlight lamp adjuster, Here you go, you got sensor left and you got sensor right. So there should be two of them, but there's only one. So the parts diagram lied. So there's only one. It's right there on the sway bar. And then if you look on this side for the sway bar, there's nothing. That's very strange. Anyways, that's done. So now we're gonna move to these. So we're gonna get the drive shaft bushing slash bearings out. So we got one, we got the second one. As you can see, they're starting to crack pretty badly. That one is pretty much finished. It's making clunking noise. And then there's the center drive shaft support bearing right there. That one we're gonna replace. And we gotta figure out something with these oxygen sensors, because definitely the problem is this. There's no way that this sensor, which is black, clearly working, connected to there, but it's not receiving. So yeah, like I was saying, there's no way that this sensor is getting a proper signal. If the exhaust is coming down here, hitting this sensor, and then traveling supposedly all the way down there, there's no way that the exhaust is turning around and coming back here into this. So this needs to get cut off and it needs to get re-welded over there. That's the solution. There's no way that this is giving an accurate reading. That's why we have an engine light for the oxygen sensor. So that's why we got them off, and we'll figure something out. Okay, you guys, so next we're taking the exhaust hangers off because the exhaust has to be lowered. So we got these ones coming down. We got the special tools. Boom. That thing is the best thing ever. See how easy the exhaust hangers come off? Just like that. So we got some of the bolts off. The old ones are right here, and we got the new ones opened. So we're gonna swap that, but in order to do that, the exhaust has to be dropped, and then we can get that piece out. Then we finally have removed all of these and removed this heat shield to get access into that thing. So we gotta take out that bolt, and remove this. Well, you can't see behind the exhaust, but remove this piece basically. This one right here that I'm touching. And that piece is right over here, this bearing. So we're gonna do that, and then we'll figure out what we're gonna do with these oxygen sensors. So it's a process, step by step. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the back part of the drive shaft slash U-joint is out. We are really deep into it now. There's our differential. We've got our new part right there. Whoa, that's crazy. But yeah, this is the bearing that is pretty much finished. Like, look at this, look at how it moves. It is not supposed to do this, like that. Look at that movement. It is completely torn and fried. Look at all those cracks. See that right there? Those cracks, that's no good. So we're gonna change that one. And that one's coming out now. And we're gonna swap those. Okay guys, so now we're just pressing the bearings out. So these are the old ones. They are completely finished. As you can see, they're all completely torn up. Like, if I bend them with both hands, it is like done. You can see them kind of cracking on the corners right there. So under load, these will fail eventually. So now we're just preparing the surface, and we're gonna get this one on. Okay guys, that's definitely a very strange look for the AMG, lowered mufflers. But now we finally pressed the bearings in and everything. That's it. All of that is connected back. We have gotten the centerpiece back in, and now we're just doing the back part, lining it all up. Now we got to put all the heat shields back, and that is pretty much it. And then we got to bring the exhaust back up, and hopefully no more drive shaft noise, no more clicking noise. And I don't know if we're gonna have time to do the O2 sensors, but it is pretty straightforward. That's the spot right there where we need to get them to go. It's a little bit of a progress. Okay, you guys, so actually we did decide to do the exhaust. So here's the O2 sensor bungs, and we are gonna very carefully grind them down so that we can prep them for welding. I know I'm not using the greatest tools, but I am in safety glasses. So anyways, we're gonna get those done. I'm gonna show you guys what we're doing with the exhaust exactly. Hold on. For the exhaust, I've cut these pieces off basically right over here. So we're gonna plug this one, and then we're gonna weld a new hole right here. This one I cut off, we're gonna clean that up, weld this hole, and we're gonna make another one right over there. That's the point. All right, you guys, so I have completed the grinding down of these, so they're ready to weld. The sensors will go right in those. So they're a lot shorter. As you guys can see, the threads are right there, so the sensor will sit perfectly in. And we're about to start drilling holes right there and right there. We're gonna plug those in, and hopefully these sensors will finally read a proper value, and we're not gonna have a check engine light for oxygen sensor resistance value implausible or whatever. And then eventually, hopefully when we get time, because it's been a long day, we will find out the evap situation, because I have a feeling that it's probably something to do with either the gas tank or the snout of the fuel hole. I don't know. We're gonna have to figure that out. It's been a long day. This is taking a lot longer than we thought. But the drive shaft is back in. The new bushings are in. Everything is connected. Just put up the exhaust. Now we gotta finish hanging these hangers and then the exhaust in the front. Okay, you guys, the sponsor of today's video is 18-volt Mikata with this thing. That's what we were able to make this hole with. And now we're gonna do the other side right over there. And guess what? It fits perfectly for our new O2 sensor bungs, which we are gonna weld right into there. No more stupid welds like this. And that'll hopefully get rid of our check engine light. Let's go. All right, guys, so I have completed all of the rest of the assembly. So I've made sure that everything is nice and tight, that all of these are installed. All that we have left pretty much is all of these. They're gonna go on top of that. So we got the welder going. We're gonna re-weld this exhaust properly. And then once the exhaust is welded, we're gonna plug in those hanging O2 sensors right there. We're gonna clear all the codes, and at least hopefully we'll get no more O2 sensors. So we're just finishing up, and then we will get going. This has been a crazy repair. Okay guys, and unfortunately the battery on the car is dead because we left it in neutral, but we are finishing up the welding. So I've connected the O2 sensors right over there, so that's all good. And now we're just closing up the holes. And once that is all done, hey, we're getting a little bit of fire dropping, which is good. And then we're gonna put on this thing and we'll finally be done. We can start the car, test everything, make sure it's good, clear all the codes, and everything will be great, hopefully. It is literally dark outside. It is freaking 11:30 as always. We are killing ourselves, making sure that the car runs properly. And we had another really interesting scare, which was we ran out of argon gas, and luckily there was a backup, because if this ran out and we had holes in the exhaust, game over. This car would literally sit until Monday, and that would be absolutely horrible. So yeah, let's get it started. Let's clear all the codes and let's make sure that everything is good. Alrighty then, you guys, so we are driving, and finally it looks like we have no engine light, no fault codes. I think we are good. We're gonna do a little bit more diagnostics and make sure, but yeah, looks like everything's fine, question mark. So we're gonna go for a little drive. Car moves, okay. All right, it is late. It's freaking like 12:24 a.m., which is crazy. So we'll probably do a little bit more diagnostics tomorrow, but as for now, no fault codes. Hopefully that stays accurate, and I'll see you guys in the morning. We'll finish up this video, this diagnostic test. Hopefully the car is good. The drive shaft feels a lot better, like when I'm coming to a stop or even accelerating from zero. I don't hear any clunking or anything like that, so I think that's a lot better. But now we are hopefully not gonna get any more engine light, hopefully, and the gas mileage will finally improve. Okay guys, see you in the morning. Guys, welcome back, good morning. We are currently driving and no engine light. Looks like we are in the clear. We have been driving for a decent amount, for about 70 kilometers now, and still no engine light. Usually it'll pop up pretty much immediately. We're almost out of gas, but that's fine. I don't mind that, as long as there's no engine light. But yeah, we'll see you guys at the barbecue. That's gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna have a quick little fun today, it's Sunday, and I'll see you guys there. Okay guys, sorry about the music in the background, but we are back. The C63 is ready. Welcome to MPTN Rally. We are doing that in August, which is absolutely crazy. Okay, we got the C63. We're about to have a crazy rev-off battle with every single M156 car. It's gonna be crazy. That one is the absolute loudest over there. That guy's insane. He's supercharged and just absolutely nasty. This one right here is also supercharged. It's pretty crazy. Just just a whole bunch of and that one's supercharged also, like insane. Look at these. Look at these, just Wistek supercharged right there. Right there. They're just superchargers galore. It's absolutely insane. So we're gonna try to compete in this rev battle, but you know, we're not gonna do that crazy because we're not supercharged, but still we are mighty fine. Okay, you guys, it's the next day. It is raining, but we did need a little bit of rain. So let's just do a quick overcap of what happened. So we had our Mercedes Benz meet, as you guys obviously saw. That was a lot of fun. Crazy event. Lots of revving, lots of fun, barbecue. But we finished as much stuff as we could on the car, and now it is pretty much, well, better, let's just say. It's still not perfect. That's why it's a work in progress. We're having a lot of fun with it. So eventually we'll get it to exactly where it needs to be. But in the meanwhile, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Appreciate everybody for subscribing and watching and liking and commenting. You guys are the best. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers to just kind of hit that milestone and see where we go from here. But we got lots and lots of stuff coming. We're planning a massive rally. August 3rd to 5th, we're gonna go up north to Sault Ste. Marie. We're gonna take a whole bunch of cars. We're gonna go and enjoy. So I look forward to putting all that out there. You guys will see a whole bunch of teasers, as much as we can release without letting everybody know too much details. So it keeps everybody in suspense and excited. But yeah, I look forward to sharing all that with you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video of rebuilding the C63. Peace.